Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. After Effects up to date, at least 20% free disk space, and other apps closed to free RAM. Open Preferences and go straight to Media and Disk Cache. Empty the disk cache and clean database, because stale cache often blocks renders. Once done, add your comp to the render queue and check Output Module settings. Choose a codec that matches your workflow and pick a local drive with enough space before you hit render. Now you tackle the complex middle steps. Identify heavy effects and either disable them temporarily or pre-render those compositions as proxies so the main render runs cleanly. Next, check GPU acceleration and preferences. Switch to software-only rendering if the GPU driver or acceleration causes failures. Make sure third-party plugins are up to date. If one looks suspicious, disable it and test a short render. These actions isolate bottlenecks and prevent intermittent failures during long renders. Finish by running a short test render at lower resolution and a small duration. This proves the pipeline without wasting time. If a full render still fails, open the error log, note the timecode or layer referenced, and re-render that section to isolate the cause. Once you identify the failing element, fix it or replace it. If nothing helps, reset preferences on startup or reinstall After Effects after backing up your project, and then retry the full render.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.